To the rescue mga idol, si Captain Hawk Mac Cardona sa pagkawala ng mga veterans para sa team ng Binyan Motorcycles. Tumulong din si Jonathan Gray mga idol at napakita ng kanyang exciting moves. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanyang full game highlights hanggang dulo. Binyan Beast Motorcycle versus Marikina Shoe Masters. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Edmar Avis, Alan Manzano, Zen Manansal.
Point heading into the second period, 18-17, before the Warriors just really put on the gas pedal and released a lot of 3 points.
Tolentino is that every season he unearths a fresh talent.
You know, regional basketball is there for us to try and discover the talents that have been hiding and have not. I would say that this program is still very much successful because of the players that they've been able to produce throughout the years.
Yeah, throughout the years,
Silang dalawa.
Ruka Curva finds Himpayan. Waray will finish. Here's Pamboy Raimundo. Goes to Himpayan. Himpayan, another reverse layup.
See that despite the
10 seconds on the shot clock. Obaldo now with Escoto uses the shot fake. Pulls up. Got it.
this is an
Goes to Himpayan sa ilalim. He's double team. Labas kay Pamboy Raimundo. And
That's the goal and culture he is trying to build in this Marikina team. Back to you guys.
maraming salamat, Andrea. Kung hindi nyo naman
I did remember that Coach Jello Nebres played for UST at one point, but you know, that's an excellent report.
Roger Ruka Curva. Pamboy, foot on the line.
Jaymar Gimpayan getting another nice pass.
Ruka Curva. There's a Big Boy Hernandez. Kenny gets it back. Bagsak si Yuto. Big Boy all alone for 2.
Solid screens.
Basco, 8 seconds on the shot clock. Yutok again. Yutok pulls up. Jumper, got it.
I think it's a win that he was traded over here to.
Ray with a rebound. Renzo Subido, 5 seconds remaining. Renzo, 3, 2. Himpayan, yes.
Didn't really have to do much in their last game dahil maganda naman yung naging performance ng ibang players, but most times of course you expect these two guys to still contribute even on the scoreboard, not just on the glass.
Subido, Bonifacio. Subido is open. That's a 3.
Trying to make up for his minor boo.
Subido looks up. Finds Subido. Waits for Bonifacio. Warren, lumapit. Warren, the back shot is good.
But I believe there is more pressure for him here just because everybody already knows the type of player that Warren Bonifacio is, and they expect him to still.
Yung next ko tanong who won the trade?
Now, both teams won the trade.
Win-win because Pajarito has been lights out for Pasay as well, and so is this guy for Binyan.
Of course, the clock situations already for Marikina here in the last few possessions.
And Jonathan Gray knocks down the 3. So good point lead against Marikina. Bam Lopez getting minutes here. Mike Maestre launches the 3 and gets it to go.
Actually,
From way out, here's Jonathan Gray for 2.
ayan ang maganda kay Jonathan Gray dahil Marikina, that previous play.
Well, Marikina scored only 3 points in the quarter, Javi. Make that 6. Para kay Jethro Escoto.
I think they need to buckle down also on defense more. Maybe create also some easy basket scoring opportunities para sa kanila.
Bam Lopez. And, kasi may mas malala.
Ayo. Sino?
Si Christian Luanson. Nasa Ryan Swan knocks down the 3. Alam mo ba yung
Gawan yung referee.
Deo Timajo Beniano, the extra pass to Escoto for 2.
I think this was of you getting a good look.
Timao pulls up and knocks down the jumper.
He was definitely. How long can they sustain it?
Impayan dives and gets the roll. Para kay Timao, pero pinilit ni Ubaldo. Here's Mamboy, who scores the 2.
And judging by that last possession, compared.
Free installation for split type air conditioners. Warren knocks down the jumper.
I was going back into that hole of indecision as we see Impayan get another easy basket effort.
Macmac Cardona really needs no introduction here sa Philippine basketball. He's a legend. Already.
That was a very legendary year. I think one of the best
Yeah, I think
collegiate basketball.
the hook shot from Macmac, no good. Tapik, Maestre, still no go. Maestre, shot fake. JJ to Macmac, a 3. Got it! Macmac, atake, Cardona, finger roll off the glass.
It's still
Niya dito, tapos nag-send daw siya ng selfie sa GC nilang former teammates. Ayun.
already was announced, and I think even he was very surprised that it unfolded dahil akala niya, because of that game that he would stay with Pasay, but everybody also were caught really surprised. Ang responsable to keep players like Pamboy Raimundo, Renzo Sobido, and all the other rotations.
Napunta kay Yutok. Yutok drives. He's looked very comfortable in the space. He'll lead a fast break. Binigay kay Sobido. That's a 3. 69-43. Impayan. Layup is good.
He continues.
Now the playoffs. So, tama na, si Coach Boyer talagang hindi siya pwedeng mag-relax kasi yung mga players niya.
Kung bibigyan niya yung mga players niya yung tamang response. Okay. Bibigyan niya yung mga players niya yung tamang response. Okay.
Final 2 minutes of this ball game. Carl Peñano lays it in for Young Jetson. So they're number 3.
So that leaves Binyan at number 4. And Rizal will be number 5. So the player of home court advantage, Binyan able to have that. Pero syempre matagal pa, marami pa tayong lalaruin. But again, like we've been reiterating time and time again in the recent games, important